Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to present about sensor project. My sensor project is Smart Fire Alarm System. My name is Nurfitri Ali bin Muhammad Azali and my ID is TFI2207024. Okay, first thing to introduction. Okay, tell about introduction. I have my present project objective, theory and background relate to the project, ideas from several sources. Project objective: assemble the project using three sensors, which mean LDR sensor, gas sensor, heat sensor, and using controller ESP. Controller is ESP32. Set up project Smart Fire Alarm System to monitor real-time sensor signal on dashboard using TeamSpeak. Set up sensor signal that trigger LED and cloud, which means TeamSpeak, that will send data to TeamSpeak graph. We go to theory and background relate to the project. The story is gas sensor can be used to detect poisonous gas such as carbon monoxide, chlorine gas, ammonia gas that can cause poisoning of death if inhaled in large enough amount. LDR sensor used in electronic circuit that require light detection or measurement. For example, it can be used in automatic street light, photography light meter, and burglar alarm that trigger when a beam of light is broken. It also used in light sensitive switches where the resistance of the sensor is used to turn on or off an electronic circuit. Heat sensors are used to measure the temperature in a system and provide the information needed to control the temperature. For example, on machine or industrial equipment, heat sensor can be used to measure the temperature in the machine and to control the temperature to remain in a safe and optimal range. Go to the methodology. We have block diagram, input output device and control board, dashboard, which means we can see at this peak, circuit diagram, project picture, and IDE simulation video. We go first block diagram. See the block diagram. This is my project. Input we have push button, gas sensor, heat sensor, and LDR sensor, and go to the ESP32 controller. And power supply, go to controller ESP32, and go output. We have cloud 1, which means TeamSpeak software, LED 1 and LED 2. Go see the input output device and control board. This input the picture of LDR sensor, MQ5 sensor, which means detect gas, push button, and heat sensor. My control board is ESP32 and the output is software TeamSpeak and LED. Go see LED. We go see the graph of in TeamSpeak. This is TeamSpeak. You can see this is a gas detector. Gas graph. We when have gas detect will go up. And this is the heat sensor. When have a fire or heat will go up, and when didn't have it will go down slow. And this is a LDR sensor, which means detect a light. This is when have gas detected, will give the light will turn on. We go to the circuit. This is my circuit diagram. You can see this is DHT11, MQ5, and LED. I use 2 LED only. This is a correction, and this is a LDR sensor, and also push button will be turn on or turn off the project, and the controller is ESP32. Okay, this is
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
project.
Ini adalah projek sensor saya. Salah satu projek sensor saya yang saya ada. Di sini MQ5, DHT11 dan LDR sensor. Okay, MQ5 ni dia akan detect gas, ni detect api, yang detect cahaya. Kita tengok dia punya coding, ini dia punya graph dia. Ni gas, ini api, sekarang tak ada api, sekarang dia akan turun. Dia cek suhu lah, suhu. kita guna recording. Ni air quality normal, maksud dia gas dalam keadaan yang normal, tak ada gas apa-apa yang kita detect. Dan itu saja. No possible fire in distance. Maknanya dia tak ada fire in distance. Kita test dia, test menggunakan lighter. Lighter dia akan detect tu, nanti dia akan beritahu lampu baru padam sebab ada bola, ada tidak. Dia tengok ada tulis fire detection. Kita tengok letak. Terima kasih Ustaz. Okay, nampak dia makin naik. Fire detect fire. Sebab saya letak lama, tak jauh-jauh. Push button. Button ni akan on off kan dia. Itu saja.
This is my video of my project.
Assalamualaikum.
The next thing is the code. I use Arduino IDE to get the code. To use the code, this means we have amplifier DHT11 LDR. The pin of amplifier is 37 in ESP32, and the LDR is 33 and 11 and 13. Push button is 2 and the others is 35 HT. Okay, this is the code. I have 133 code barcode in the Arduino IDE. Okay, you can see use when have a gas we show gas leak detected. When didn't have a gas, we will show air quality is normal. Okay, and when have a fire, will we show possible fire in distance, and when didn't have fire, we will show no possible fire in the distance. Okay, this is a serial monitor that will show when didn't have fire, they will give no possible fire in distance and air quality is normal, which means didn't have a gas in the area. And this is gas leak detected, which means have gas, and fire detected, which means they have fire in the area. Okay, this is my conclusion. I can demonstrate my project successfully during practical work, and I also got some help from the instructor in making this project a success. My project is suitable in TeamSpeak application to get a data, and I also use Arduino IDE as a place for me to access a coding. Okay, that's all for my presentation about project sensor smart fire alarm system. Okay, thank you and see you again.